Being smart in business means knowing what's just around the corner. It means thinking ahead and preparing for inevitable changes that will impact the way business is conducted. This is what allows a business to be resilient and to thrive in a changing environment. Digital marketing is no different. It's affecting the way that SEO works, the tools and the software we use, and the way that ads are displayed. The digital marketing singularity is just around the corner. The mistake that some big businesses make is to assume that they're too big to fail and to coast along as they are. As digital marketers, that means thinking about things that could impact on the face of marketing. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning have the potential to completely change the face of internet marketing, rendering many older strategies obsolete even. And a lot of this stuff isn't just speculation. It's happening right now. Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you will gain a crystal ball with which to gaze into the future of internet marketing. You'll be better prepared and in a better position than 99.9% of other marketers. You will examine a large number of different types of AI and machine learning in the context of digital marketing. You will be ensured that your websites manage to hold their positions in the SERPs. You will create endless amounts of content in a second. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. Introducing Artificial Intelligence in Digital Marketing. How artificial intelligence will transform digital marketing and how to be ready. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. What is AI and machine learning? Google as an AI-first company. Preparing for semantic search. Big data. Computer vision. Advertising. Email marketing. Chatbots. Developing your AI skills using SQL. How to future-proof your marketing. Plus, a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to actually learn and be ready for artificial intelligence in digital marketing. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want to ensure that your websites manage to hold their positions in the SERPs. You want your advertising campaigns to remain profitable and that your services remain relevant. You want to create endless amounts of content in a second. You want to be ready for the future of the industry. You want to know the different types of AI and machine learning in the context of digital marketing. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your next question is how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. And it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, Artificial Intelligence in Digital Marketing Cheat Sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy-to-follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, Artificial Intelligence in Digital Marketing Mind Map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. The mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, Artificial Intelligence in Digital Marketing Resource Guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution to learn and be ready for artificial intelligence in digital marketing, so it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm going to give you a full 30 days to decide if this is for you. If for any reason, or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment, no questions asked. Click the button below now to get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you learn and be ready for artificial intelligence in digital marketing. I'll see you on the inside.